So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that the Xbox app is not running. So in the bottom right of the taskbar, you want to click on the arrow, then you want to find Xbox, you want to right click on it, and then click on quit. And it's now going to fully close the Xbox application. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in services, click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time, and then click on X on your keyboard. Now you want to find all the Xbox services. You want to repeat this for all of them that I'm going to show you right now. So for the first one, the Xbox Accessory Management Service, double click on this. You're going to make the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. And now for the second one, Xbox Live Auth Manager, double click on it, startup type automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running and then click on OK. I'm just going to fast forward the video to repeat this for the next ones. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on Library. And now you just want to search for Xbox. And now it should come up. If you have an Xbox update, it's going to tell you right here. Then you can update your application. Make sure that it's fully up to date. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Xbox. You want to right click on it and then click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate, scroll down again, and then click on Reset, and then click on Reset again. Wait for this to load. Now once you complete all these steps, the problem should now be fixed. It should now be working for you, it should let you sign in. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till you find Xbox. You're going to click on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall, then you want to uninstall it. And then when you uninstall that, you want to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to search for Xbox, then you just want to download it again. This should now fix your problem.